As a zoo teacher, I combine my love for animals with teaching about nature and conservation. I guide children to discover animals with all senses so they can learn how to love and respect them. I also help visitors to overcome their fears and prejudices about animals. It makes me happy when visitors leave the zoo inspired to visit again.
As a zookeeper and occasional educator, I can share the animal stories firsthand. Because I work with them every day and know them well, visitors can feel my love and connection with the animals.
At the zoo, educators have a unique opportunity to speak about the wonders of nature in those moments when people gaze at animals with awe and let themselves be moved by the natural world. In those moments, their hearts open and they become receptive to our most important message, that each of us has the power to make a positive difference every day with every choice we made.